Hello everyone, welcome to the 1000 MCQ series of Pharmacist, Analyst and Drug Inspector exam. So let's get ready to secure the post of a government analyst. Starting off with the first question of the day, cryoscopic method is used to adjust particle size, diffusion, viscosity or iso. So here we should first know what is isotonicity. Iso in same, tonicity related to osmotic pressure. So a solution having the same osmotic pressure as that of another solution. That is isotonicity. Now what is cryoscopic method? It means we are measuring the freezing point depression of a solution. Freezing point depression is related to what? It is related to concentration of the solute particle. Right. So by adjusting the concentration of the solute, we can adjust the osmotic pressure. Right. So therefore, cryoscopic method, by using the cryoscopic method, we can ensure that the solution administered are isotonic in nature. Right? Isotonicity is adjusted by using cryoscopic method. So here we can use this so as to adjust the osmotic pressure of this solution. Now, what is the question? Cryoscopic method is used to adjust what? It is used to adjust isotonicity or the osmotic pressure of the solution. Coming to the next question, cyclophosphamide as anti-cancer agent acts as an alkylating agent before metabolism, alkylating agent after metabolism, phosphorylating agent after metabolism, or all of the above. See, cyclophosphamide. The cyclophosphamide, it is basically a prodrug. Prodrug undergoes metabolism so as to release the active drug. Right. So cyclophosphamide undergo metabolism by using CYP450 enzymes, and the final product, that is from aldophosphamide, it gives acrolein, which is an important compound, and phosphoramide mustard. This phosphoramide mustard is very much important for producing the activity. What type of activity? Alkylation of DNA or protein, which lead to the cell death. Right. So here phosphoramide mustard, this is very much important. What is cyclophosphamide? It is a prodrug. How it will exert action? After becoming an active drug, that is after metabolism. Right. Not in the prodrug form. So what is the question? Cyclophosphamide acts as an anti-cancer agent as when it is an it acts as an alkylating agent after metabolism. Before metabolism, what it is? It is a prodrug. So the answer will be after metabolism. Okay. Coming to the next question. Which one of the following drugs is withdrawn from the market due to torsade deponds? That is chlorpromazine, astimizole, haloperidol or domperidol. Torsade deponds is basically a type of arrhythmia condition. In arrhythmia, what happens? In this condition, there is a prolonged QT interval and there is twisting in the QRS complex also. So this is how we characterize this particular condition. Now, astimizole. Astimizole is withdrawn from the market because it is producing this particular torsade deponds condition. Right. Now, what is this astimizole? Astimizole was introduced as an H1 receptor antagonist. That is histamine antagonist. It was introduced as histamine antagonist, but due to this particular problem, it was withdrawn from the market. Now, as you can see, this is the structure of astimizole. Right. So, what is the question? Which of the following drugs is withdrawn from the market due to torsade deponds? Right. What is the answer? Astimizole is the answer. Coming to the next question. The mixing of thymol and menthol, the following type of incompatibility occurs. Right. What type of incompatibility is taking place? That's a question. Is it chemical incompatibility, therapeutic incompatibility, physical incompatibility, or tolerance incompatibility? See, when we mix thymol and menthol, what happens is that it will form a euthetic solvent. Euthetic solvent means it will start to liquefy. It will change the physical state or the physical properties when it is mixed in 1:1 molar ratio. Right? So what is this physical incompatibility? Physical incompatibility occurs when two or more substances are mixed, which result in change in the physical property of one or more substances. So when we are mixing menthol and thymol, it becomes a euthetic solvent. Right? So there is a change in the physical property. It starts to liquefy. So it is an example for physical incompatibility. So the answer for this question will be C. Physical incompatibility. Coming to the next question. Thioglycolic acid-like compounds have applications in the following type of cosmetic formulations. Is it depilatory application preparation, epilatory preparation, vanishing cream, or skin tan preparation? See, thioglycolic acid. Thioglycolic acid is mainly used for removing hair. It is used as a depilatory preparation. How it works? It works by breaking down the hair protein. We know the keratin and all is broken down by thioglycolic acid. What it will lead to? It will lead to easy hair removal. So that's why it is used as an depilatory preparation, and it is having a very simple structure. As you can see, this is the structure of thioglycolic acid. So what will the answer for this question? It is used as depilatory preparation. Coming to the next question. Dipiverfrine. Dipiverfrine is a prodrug of. Is it dopamine, epinephrine, ampicillin, or prednisolone? See, some of the prodrugs we have such as levodopa. Levodopa is converted to dopamine. What about enalapril? It is converted to enalaprillate. Phenytoin is converted to phenytoin. Valacyclovir is converted to acyclovir. Clopidogrel it's converted to active thiol derivative. Right. Now, prednisone it is converted to prednisolone. Azathioprine it is converted to 6-mercaptopurine or 6-MP. Valganciclovir it is converted to ganciclovir. Irinotecan it is converted to SN38. Codeine it is converted to morphine. Right. These are some of the commonly asked prodrugs and their active form. Now, what is the drug that is been asked here? It is Dipiverfrine. Dipiverfrine it is a prodrug. It is converted to epinephrine. Okay, the answer will be epinephrine. Coming to the next question. Highly branched 3-dimensional macromolecules with controlled structure with all bonds originating from the central core. See, it is very easy. They are asking from a central core region there are many branches or bonds that have been formed. That is highly branched in nature and it is 3-dimensional. 3-dimensional macromolecule. So what is this particular substance? Right. Let's see the option. It is cyclodextrins, dextrans, dendrimers, or liposomes. Okay. Now coming to the structures. As you can see, in the cyclodextrin, dendrimers, dextran, and liposome. Dendrimer is a particular formulation in which there is a central core and it is highly branched. All these branches are originating from the center. Right. Now, let's see the question again. Highly branched 3-dimensional macromolecule with controlled structure with all bonds originating from the center core. Right. So, what will the answer for this question? It will be dendrimers. If we check, you can see here cyclodextrin. It is having a hollow structure. Right. Inside it is hollow. Dendrimers it is having a central core and it is highly branched. Dextrans are polymeric substances. Liposome. In liposome there is a lipid layer, but the inside of this lipid layer is vacant or it is having a core region. So the best suitable answer will be dendrimer. Right. Coming to the next one. Which of the following is the commonly used bulking agent in the formulation of freeze-dried low-dose drug product? Okay, which is used as a bulking agent in freeze-dried low-dose drug product. Come to the option: sodium chloride, mannitol, starch, or HPMC. Now, mannitol is a particular substance which is having high solubility. Right? It is having an excellent solubility and water, and it is easy to incorporate. Right? It is having low hygroscopicity. Low hygroscopicity when compared to other sugars. Now, it is having good physical stability. Physical stability means the TG or the glass transition temperature will be always high. Now coming to the cryoprotective property, because in the question they have given freeze-dried drug. So there should be cryoprotective property. The cryoprotective property is very much higher in mannitol, which means it reduces the formation of ice crystal. Formation of ice crystal is not at all recommended. So we have to reduce this or prevent it. So mannitol is a substance which can reduce the formation of ice crystal. So here, what will the answer? The most suitable answer will be mannitol. Right. Now, alkaloids are not precipitated by. Please note, it is not precipitated by Meyer's reagent, Dragon-Rock reagent, picric acid, or Millen's reagent. Here we have to remember something. What is the composition of these reagents? For example, Meyer's reagent, it is made up of potassium mercuric iodide, MM. M for mercury, right? Now, Wegener's reagent is I in Ki, that is iodine in potassium iodide. Hager's reagent, it is yellow, right? So it is saturated solution of picric acid. Dragon-Rock reagent is always potassium bismuth iodide. Tannic acid test is done by using tannic acid, right? So here, as you can see, alkaloid can be precipitated by using Meyer's reagent, Dragon-Rock reagent, picric acid, but not by Millen's reagent. It is mainly used for phenolic compounds or the proteins which contain tyrosine residues. Mainly for proteins we are using Millen's reagent. The rate limiting step in the cholesterol biosynthesis is one of the following. Is it geranyl formation, VLDL, that is very low density lipoprotein secretion, or mevalonic acid formation, or coenzyme A formation? Here, this is a synthetic pathway of cholesterol. Here, the most important or the rate limiting step is the formation of mevalonic acid. And we have studied that statins is working in that particular step, right? Statin inhibit the HMG coenzyme. So it inhibits the mevalonic acid formation and thereby inhibit the formation of or reduce the formation of cholesterol. Now, here the question is rate limiting step in the cholesterol biosynthesis. Which is the rate limiting step? It is the mevalonic acid formation. This is an exclusive course in which we are preparing for government analyst. So let's get ready so as to pursue the dream of becoming a government analyst. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.